Imagine this. You walk into a billion-dollar company like Apple or Tesla. Everything seems to run like clockwork. Employees know what to do, operations flow seamlessly, and success feels almost inevitable. But what if I told you this doesn't happen by accident? Behind every thriving organization is a powerful management process, a structured approach that keeps everything in control, and a well-oiled system that turns chaos into success. Today, we'll break down the management process into its key functions and show you how top companies use it to stay ahead. Stick around for real-world examples that might just change the way you see management forever. First, what is management process? The management process is a systematic way of achieving organizational goals by effectively utilizing available resources like people, money, materials, and technology. It is a continuous, dynamic series of steps that guides managers and leaders to plan, organize, lead, and control organizational activities in an efficient and effective manner. In simple terms, management process is the roadmap that helps businesses and organizations move from where they are now to where they want to be in the future. It involves a cycle of planning, organizing, staffing, directing, coordinating, and controlling, each playing a vital role in business success. Think of it like running a football team. The coach plans the strategy, organizes the players, hires the best talent, directs the team during matches, coordinates plays, and controls performance by making adjustments. Businesses work the same way. Second, why management process matters. Imagine running a company, a team, or even a small project without a plan, without clear roles. What would happen? Chaos, confusion, and ultimately, failure. That's why the management process is essential. It brings structure, direction, and control to everything an organization does. Whether you're managing a small business, a large corporation, or even your daily life, applying a management process ensures success, efficiency, and growth. Also, achieve goals efficiently, optimize resources, increase productivity, maintain quality, stay competitive. Management process is the backbone of any successful organization. Without it, even the best resources and people can't achieve greatness. But with it, organizations can turn vision into reality. Third, the six main functions of management process. Let's break down each function of management with real-world examples. Number one, planning. Planning is the first and most crucial function of the management process. This involves setting objectives, forecasting trends, and developing strategies to reach business goals. Planning is about answering key questions like, what are our objectives? How do we achieve them? What resources do we need? Planning provides direction and serves as a roadmap for the organization, helping managers and employees understand what needs to be done, how, and when. Without planning, businesses would be like ships sailing without direction. Planning process. 1. Identify objectives. Define what the organization wants to achieve. 2. Analyze current situation. Review available resources and constraints. 3. Identify alternative courses of action. Brainstorm various ways to achieve the goals. 4. Evaluate alternatives. Analyze pros and cons of each alternative. 5. Select the best option. Choose the most feasible and effective plan. 6. Implement the plan. Put the plan into action with allocated resources. 7. Monitor and review. Continuously check progress and make adjustments. For example, take Apple for instance. Before launching a new iPhone, Apple's management team spends years researching market trends, forecasting demand, and planning every detail, from production to marketing. This planning process ensures that every launch is a massive success. iPhone through the years, from the very first iPhone to the latest one. Here representing the evolution of iPhone models over time, symbolizing strategic planning and innovation. This is a great example of how long-term planning shapes product development. Number 2, organizing. Next comes organizing. Once goals and plans are set, organizing is all about arranging resources and tasks in a structured way to achieve those goals efficiently. A well-organized business ensures smooth workflow and avoids chaos. In simple words, organizing means putting things and people in the right place at the right time to get the job done. It involves creating a clear structure of roles, responsibilities, and relationships within the organization so that everyone knows who is doing what, when, and how. Organizing process. 1. Identify activities. List all tasks required to achieve objectives. 2. Group similar activities. Create departments or teams like marketing, production, sales. 3. Assign duties. Allocate tasks to individuals or teams. 4. Delegate authority. Give appropriate authority to make decisions and act. 5. Establish reporting relationships. Set up a hierarchy. Who reports to whom? 6. Coordinate efforts. Ensure all parts of the organization work together efficiently. For example, Amazon's warehousing system. Look at Amazon. With millions of products to deliver daily, its warehouse system is a masterpiece of organization. From AI-powered inventory tracking to strategically located fulfillment centers, Amazon ensures that your order reaches you in record time. If you're watching and finding these management process helpful so far, make sure to like the video, share it with others who might benefit, and subscribe for more business and management insights. So, for more business and management insights. Number 3, staffing. A business is only as strong as its people. That's where staffing comes in. This function involves hiring the right people, training them, and keeping them motivated. Having a great plan and structure is useless without the right team to execute it. Think of staffing as the process of building a winning team, finding the right talent, giving them the right role, and helping them grow to achieve both personal and organizational goals. Staffing process. 1. Human resource planning, forecasting future hiring needs based on growth and retirements. 2. Recruitment, attracting applicants through ads, job portals, referrals. 3. Selection, screening, interviewing, testing to choose the best candidates. 4. Placement and orientation, assigning roles, introducing company culture. 5. Training and development, enhancing skills and preparing for higher roles. 6. Performance evaluation, reviewing performance and giving feedback. 7. Compensation and benefits, ensuring fair and motivating pay and perks. 8. Promotions and transfers, moving employees to higher or new roles based on merit. For example, Google is a perfect example of excellent staffing. They hire only the best talent, provide extensive training, and create a work environment that keeps employees motivated and innovative. This is why Google remains a global tech leader. Number 4, directing. Now let's talk about directing. Directing is the action-oriented function of management. It involves guiding, motivating, leading, supervising, and communicating with employees so that they perform tasks efficiently and effectively. Great leadership can turn an average team into an unstoppable force. Directing components. 1. Leadership, leading teams by setting examples, influencing behavior. 2. Motivation, using incentives, rewards, and recognition to boost morale. 3. Communication, clear and timely sharing of goals, instructions, feedback. 4. Supervision, continuous guidance and oversight to ensure correct work. For example, Elon Musk's leadership at Tesla. His bold vision for electric vehicles and space exploration inspires employees and keeps Tesla at the forefront of innovation. His leadership style has turned Tesla into an automotive giant. Number 5, coordinating. No business function operates in isolation. Coordination is the glue that holds all these functions together. It ensures different departments work in sync toward common goals, preventing conflicts and inefficiencies. Coordination elements. 1. Clear objectives. Everyone should understand the goals. 2. Proper communication, constant sharing of information across teams. 3. Effective leadership. Managers ensure that everyone works together efficiently. 4. Division of work, tasks divided logically to avoid overlap and conflicts. 5. Cooperation, creating a spirit of teamwork among employees and departments. 6. Monitoring and feedback, regular checking and correcting of activities. For example, think about a SpaceX rocket launch. Engineers, scientists, and logistics teams must work together flawlessly. If one department is out of sync, the entire mission could fail. Coordination ensures everything runs like a well-oiled machine. Number 6, controlling. Finally, we have controlling. This function ensures that the business stays on track. Managers monitor performance, compare results with objectives, and make necessary adjustments to improve efficiency. It is like a GPS system in a car, constantly tracking your route and alerting you when you need to adjust. Controlling process. 1. Setting performance standards. Define what needs to be achieved, sales targets, production levels. 2. Measuring actual performance. Collect data on current performance, reports, audits. 3. Comparing performance with standards. Identify gaps between what is and what should be. 4. Analyzing deviations. Find reasons for the differences, delays, quality issues. 5. Taking corrective action. Fix problems to ensure goals are met. Retraining, process changes. For example, McDonald's quality control. McDonald's is a great example. Every burger in every country follows the same strict quality standards. Regular inspections, feedback analysis, and process improvements ensure that every Big Mac tastes the same, whether you're in New York or Tokyo. 4th, real-world scenario, the rise of Netflix. A great example of a well-executed management process is Netflix. Initially, it was just a DVD rental company, but through strategic planning and adaptation, it disrupted the entire entertainment industry. Planning shifted focus from DVD rentals to streaming. Organizing built a strong technology team and licensing deals. Staffing hired top engineers and content creators. Directing inspired innovation in streaming technology. Coordinating ensured smooth collaboration between tech, content, and marketing teams. Controlling continuously analyzed data to improve user experience. As a result, Netflix overtook Blockbuster and became a global giant. Netflix transformation from a DVD rental company to a global streaming leader. So as we've seen, management is not just about giving orders. It's a systematic process that brings together people, ideas, and resources to achieve incredible results. Whether you're running a small startup, managing a corporate giant like Amazon or Apple, or even leading a community project, the management process is your secret weapon to success. And if you're looking for a deeper dive, I've linked a recommended book on this topic in the description below. Be sure to check it out. Thank you for watching. And let us know in the comments, what's one management lesson you've learned in your life? Until next time, stay curious and keep hustling. And I have a great video on management skills that you'll find useful. Click here to watch it next.